fun preschool activities for engaged little learners. Hello, amazing parents. Ready for some preschool fun that's easy to set up, entertaining, and packed with learning? Today, we're diving into 3 simple but super engaging activities you can do at home to spark curiosity and creativity in your little ones. Play is not just about fun, it's also about growing those big brains. Let's make learning an adventure your toddlers won't soon forget. Let those screens fall like a sensory bin loaded with a mixture of textures. Grab a container and fill it with dried corn kernels. Crunchy, colorful, and explore. Add tiny scoopers, cups, and even some small toy farm animals for an extra dash of excitement. As your child pours, scoops, and plays, they're sharpening their motor skills and hand-eye coordination while exploring textures and sounds. Bonus, it's mesmerizing enough to keep your toddler engaged while you grab that much-needed coffee. Say goodbye to regular tape. Let's make a sticky cobweb. Stretch some clear tape, sticky side up, across a low doorway. Hand your child rocks, leaves, paper spiders, or foam shapes to stick on and decorate their one-of-a-kind web. This activity is pure magic for boosting fine motor skills and unleashing creativity. Just wait till you see the proud grin on their face when they show off their masterpiece. Parents expect giggles and sticky fingers. But hey, who's complaining? It's craft time. Grab a couple of apples or potatoes, slice them in half, and dip them into washable paint. Then, hand your tiny artist some paper to stamp away. Watch how they stamp, squish, and mix to create their very own apple art gallery. This colorful activity encourages sensory exploration and develops their hand strength as they press those squishy apples into the paint. Tip, mix the colors for an extra wow factor and let your little artist shine. Parents, here's the magic behind all these fun activities. They're not just play, but purposeful learning and bonding moments. Your child is strengthening motor skills, exploring their senses, and expanding their creativity, all wrapped up in bursts of joyful discovery. By setting up these hands-on activities, you're fostering a lifelong love for learning, right in the comfort of your home. So what are you waiting for? Whether it's building sticky webs or diving into sensory bins, you've got a recipe for countless giggles and rich learning experiences. Gather your supplies, roll up your sleeves, and let the adventures begin. Playtime just got a whole lot more fun for your toddlers and you. Stay tuned for more exciting ideas to keep those little brains buzzing. Happy playing, superstar parents! Please share and subscribe so we may bring you more little toddler adventures.